Hey, it's Mike, and today I want to talk about Nano-X imaging because it had one of the most erratic days that a stock can have for a number of reasons. First of all, let's just talk about where the stock ended up yesterday. It fell almost 5%. It's up a little after hours, but basically, here's what happened yesterday. Yesterday was a big day for Nano-X imaging because they were having a live demonstration of their imaging product at 11:30, and I talked about how you want to get out of this stock before the presentation because the stock was running up as a sort of a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of play. So what happened was at 11:30, right when right before 11:30, when the company was going to present its product, the stock went all the way down probably about 11%. Then after that, apparently the live demonstration was a success, and so the company's stock rose and rose as high as being plus 6% for the day. And then they had their investor call, and then it finished down for the day. Now, what can we make of this? The first thing I would say is from what I have heard online, the live demonstration was a success, and there were some people saying now this demonstration was for a group of radiologists. It was like a national convention of radiologists, and the consensus was this imaging system was not only a success, this was going to transform medical imaging. So this is like a very, very big deal. However, I do think sometimes, after you have a presentation, even if it's the most innovative product on the planet, you get people who essentially sell the news. So what I would suggest right now with Nano-X imaging is just don't try to buy in right now. I would just watch the price action because I think it could be more erratic. However, going forward, I do think as Nano-X imaging rolls out its imaging product, this stock will move higher. As you can see, this is a company that has definitely been on the uptrend. 1 month ago was at 28, now it's at 58, so it's more than doubled. It needs some time to pull back. Get some of the people who don't really believe in the company, who are just in for a short-term play, to get out of the stock. That'll just put more of a stronger support. But as the stock moves back a little more, it's a great buying opportunity because this is a stock that it's above its 50-day moving average. It has a product that works, so you can no longer, accuse this company of having vaporware. It's just a matter of now getting that product rolled out, marketing the product properly, and being able to service the first customers that it gets, because customer service is also very important too, to make sure, like, if there's any issues with the imaging system, that they can have those machines serviced and they'll be able to be delivered and all that stuff. So there's a lot of stuff that Nano-X imaging needs to work out, but I do think going forward, this is a company that will become very, very huge. But like I said, right now, give it a little more time to settle out. Maybe it needs to pull back a little more because, like I said, it's more than doubled in 1 month. So it just needs a little time to work itself out. But I do think going forward, you definitely want to take a look at getting into Nano-X imaging. I'm going to wait a little more. I'm targeting maybe a pullback to about 55 or 56 before I get in because there are other opportunities out there, and I only have so much capital that I can deploy to stocks. I have like about 10 stocks on my radar right now, so I have to look at the ones that are best positioned to move right away before I get into those. But definitely take a look at Nano-X imaging. Like I said, I think it may move down another 5% before it begins to move up, and that's just because of the big gains that it had over the past month and just some short-term traders that need to be shaken out. So okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.